Hello children, Unit 2 Buildings, 4th Standard English Notes Part 1. The rooks. Answer the following by saying yes or no, then reply with a short answer. Example: yes, they can. No, they can't. Next, say in a sentence, one has been done for you. Can the rooks build their nest? Answer is yes. Yes, they can. Also right. Yes, they can build their nest. Second one, do the rooks sing? No, they can't. No, they can't sing. Third one, are they up in the morning? Yes, they can. Or yes, they up in the morning. Fourth one, are they busy all the day? Yes, they can. Yes, they can busy all the day. Fifth one, are their nests made of paper? No, they can't. Or no, their nests can't made of papers. Sixth one, do they talk alone? Answer, no, they can't. Or no, they can't talk alone. Right? Well, first main read and take a look at the pictures, then fill in the blanks. First one, the rooks build their nests on the tree. Second one, they are up before sunrise. Third one, they build their nest with sticks, a slender twig, and a tuft of moss. Fourth one, their nests look round and big. Fifth one, they all talk together. Second main, complete the following passage by choosing appropriate words from the brackets. The rooks are black crow-like birds. They build their nest every spring. They are up before the break of the day. They bring many crooked sticks, slender twigs, and tuft of moss to build their nest round and big. They crow caw caw in the rainy weather. All the rooks talk together and they don't wait for others to speak, unlike you, good children. Now read the following poem and fill in the blanks with the words given below, then recite. When the sun shines, I can see my shadow right in front of me. When I walk, my shadow walks. When I hop, my shadow hops. When I jump, my shadow jumps. And when I stop, my shadow stops. The House of Mirrors. Speak. Read the statements given and say yes or no. If no, then say the correct answer. Two have been done for you. First one, the village was small. Answer is yes. Second one, the house was of 1,000 dogs. Answer, no, it was of 1,000 mirrors. Third one, a little dog was happy. Yes. Fourth one, the little dog decided to visit the park. Answer is no, the little dog decided to visit the house of 1,000 mirrors. Fifth one, the first dog felt it was a wonderful place. Answer is yes. Sixth one, the second dog saw friendly dogs staring back at him. Answer is no, the second dog saw unfriendly dogs staring back at him. Write well. Complete the following paragraph choosing the words from those given in brackets. One day a dog entered the house of mirrors. He was happy there as he saw many happy dogs. Into the same house entered another dog. He was not as happy as the other one. He saw many dogs. They stared back at him. They were unfriendly. Match and write each question with the correct answer. A column, B column. First one, how was the village? Second one, which place did the dog decide to visit? The dog decided to visit the house of mirrors. Third one, how did he look through the doorway? With his ears lifted high and wagging tail. Fourth one, how did another dog enter the house of mirrors? He slowly climbed the stairs with his head hung low. First one, how was the village? It was a small, far away village. Fifth one, what did another dog see in the house of mirrors? He saw 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs. B main. Now complete the following dialogue with the words given below. Girl, excuse me, can you please tell me where Roshan Clinic is? Man, yes, it is beside the city court. Girl, but I am new to this place. I don't know where the city court is. Man, go straight, take a left turn. There you will see the city court beside Roshan Clinic. Girl, okay, thank you. Man, you are welcome. A story has been given below. Read the first part of the story. Complete the story with the help of the pictures and clues given. The ant and the dove. On his way home, an ant saw a sparkling fountain. He crawled onto its wall to take a closer look. Suddenly, he slipped and fell into the water. He cried and waved his legs in the air. Help, I can't swim, he shouted in pain. Luckily, one pigeon is flew by the way on water and it saw the ant's trouble. Pigeon flew nearby tree and think how to save the ant which is in water and make an idea. Throw a leaf on water near to the ant. By the help of leaf, the ant sit on leaf and swim over water and safely come out and say thanks to the pigeon. Pigeon fly away.